ready to kickstart your finances with a little extra cash in your pocket. First, grab your phone. We're going to walk through getting a free £15 with Revolut, step by step. The first thing is to download the Revolut app from your app store. You can find it on both the Google Play Store for Android users and the App Store for iPhone users. Once you've found the Revolut app, tap on the Get or Download button to install the app on your phone and wait for it to finish downloading. Once downloaded, open the app and tap the Sign Up button to create your new Revolut account. Remember to follow all the instructions on the screen. They usually involve entering your personal details such as your name, email address, phone number, and date of birth. Be sure to provide accurate information. It's super important that the details you enter match those on your ID. This is for verification purposes. Now comes the fun part. Once your account is set up, you'll need to complete a couple of steps to claim your £15. Requirements can evolve, so check the most up-to-date promotional information within the app, but typically, this involves ordering a physical Revolut card and topping up your account with a minimum amount, often around £10. Then you need to make 3 card payments. Congratulations, once you've met the criteria, usually the bonus is applied automatically, and you'll see the £15 reflected in your Revolut balance. Start enjoying your extra cash today. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips like this and hit the like button if this video helped you.